Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today this is my first ever unboxing video. We're unboxing this nail polish library I got at a charity shop. So when you get it, it's like this magnetic thing, as you can tell. It smells like nail polish, of course. So it contains 17 high gloss nail polishes, pink, ink, sheer, poncho pink, Framboise, vintage, real romantic. 17 lasting fixed nail polish, Twilight Teaser Amaretto Shattoo, and 17 speed dry nail polish pink champagne. Oh, it's by the company 17. I thought I was like, what, 17 of those? No. So let's open it up. So when you open it, it looks like it's all like boxed up. So we're going to get this out. Okay, so you can just get it out like this. Then they have all little like containers to themselves. So let's get unboxing these. See, they're all like this. I think that's really, really cool. I need to stand this up and then it will be easier because it's stood up next to me. So, doesn't want to come out, guys. If I could time lapse right now, I would. But I can't. So, yeah. Okay. Eventually we got this one, and this doesn't say the shade. How handy. No shade on it. Okay, in the bin it goes. Next one. Oh god. Oh, so the like thing comes out. The like separator thing can come out. It's really weird. Next one, that wasn't that hard. Oh god, I missed my bin then. This video is going to probably be my longest video yet. But yeah, no. So now we're going to go on to the next one. Oh, sorry guys, it would help if I could get it out. Okay, next going to unbox this one. This one doesn't want to come out, like the first one didn't. I got this on Saturday, so yeah. Same with the get the Little Mix palette. Sorry, I'm falling down. I came on my knees. Just to make things easier. This video is always like 3 minutes long. Okay, done. They did make the packaging really hard to get into. I don't know why. It just is. Okay. Also, I would like to give a shout out to a famous YouTuber called Jelly, and also I am Sana. They are some good YouTubers. I'm subscribed to them, so like I'm kind of helping them out here. Get Jelly past 6.5 mil stubs. See if you guys can do that. Comment below once if you have subscribed to him, or if you're already subscribed. Also do that to Azzyland. Comment down below if you're already subscribed to them, and also subscribe to me. 1 like equals one of these done. Equals me not having to do this. Okay, done. That is like a gold one. This is a gold one. It's really, really nice. Really cute. I like it. This was at Sue Ryder. No, not a Sue Ryder. Blue Cross. Oh no. It's not going well. Can we get this one out of the thing? Oh god. I'm not good at this. I'm gonna just empty out the ones that I've already unboxed. Okay, so I just did it like that. But you can like put it back in, so that's really handy. And then we can like put them all in as I go along. So I guess that's a good thing. So we can put them all back in now. It takes patience. Looks like they'll be able to fit like normal size nail polishes in. You know, I like. Of course, this channel used to be a nail channel. If you remember, it was called The Nail Polish Weirdo. This has had a lot of channel changes, but if you've been here from the start, comment down below. I'm just doing all this stuff because this video is going to be like probably my longest video yet. So, oh yeah, this was it's like nice pearly white one. I've already got one of these. So like most of these colours I already have. You would know that if you watched my nail polish collection live video that I did. It was like 5 minutes long, but still, it went live. That was my first ever live video. I might do another one at some point. I might do a charity. I might go charity shopping and then do like one big haul. So now I get in Britain. It's snowing. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. Like, who wouldn't be happy about snow, am I right? So, on my second to last one, and then I just turn one more out, I would be done. So this brown one. So, there it is, all done. I'm with the YouTube channel camera. So here we go. Here they all are. How amazing is that? Then you can just like close it back up again, and yeah, there you have it, guys. That's the end of today's video. Just get a like, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and click that bell button so then you get notified every time I upload. Do what I said in the video, you know. That's all from me. Bye bye.